During our time in Budapest, we were super impressed with the city and especially the great food scene that we experienced. We learned about two very important aspects of the Hungarian diet, soup and paprika. Soup is an important part of the meal, and they do soups really well in Budapest. In honor of our time in Budapest and the great food that we ate there, we're cooking a Hungarian mushroom soup to share with you today. Stay tuned to learn how to make this hearty and healthy soup at home. Welcome to Turks Who Eat. We're Alex and Mehmet, a couple who loves to travel and eat. We also bring our dog, Bindi, along with us for as many adventures as possible. We love traveling, and eating local foods tends to be the highlight of our travels. We love to discover the local dishes and learn how to make them ourselves. Follow along with us as we explore the world, discover local foods, and attempt to recreate them. To make our Hungarian mushroom soup, you'll need about 1 pound of mushrooms, 1 onion, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of paprika, ideally Hungarian paprika if you can find it, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, a handful of fresh dill, 2 vegetable stock cubes or 4 cups of vegetable stock, and 1 cup of sour cream. Begin by dicing your onion and chopping your mushrooms. I like to slice them and then cut them into smaller chunks. Chop your fresh dill and set it aside for later. Heat the butter and olive oil in a pot on medium-high heat. When the butter has melted, add the onion and mushrooms to the pot. Cook these at medium-low heat until all of the liquid from the mushrooms evaporates. This will take about 15 minutes. Stir it occasionally while you're waiting for all of the liquid to disappear. Once the liquid has cooked off, add the flour and stir. Then add your paprika. Add the stock cubes and 4 cups of water, or your 4 cups of stock, and bring it to a boil. Then turn it down to a simmer. Next, add the soy sauce. This gives the soup just a little bit more depth of flavor. Allow the soup to simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Turn down the heat and add the fresh dill. Now, we're going to temper our sour cream before adding it to the soup to make sure that it doesn't curdle. To do this, add a small spoonful of the soup to the sour cream and stir it together. Repeat this 1 or 2 more times. Then add the sour cream to the soup and stir it through. This will make the soup extra hearty and creamy. Serve the soup with some additional fresh dill and some nice crusty bread. The soup is light yet hearty, and the paprika and soy sauce give it lots of flavor. It's perfect for when you want something comforting, but still healthy, and definitely reminds us of the flavors we tasted in Budapest. We hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to see where we're cooking next.